Recently, I published a new video about how to use Waze, and I was asked a number of questions. One feature I was keen to revisit in a separate video was the ability to interact with Waze using just your voice commands.
Okay, navigate to Thrifty Foods.
Here's what I found along your route for Thrifty Foods.
The obvious benefit of using voice commands is that you don't have to touch your screen, which is especially useful if you're participating in community features such as reporting incidents. Plus, interacting with your device in certain countries is prohibited and against the law. The types of commands are divided into four main categories: actions you can perform to find or navigate to destinations, reporting different types of incidents and hazards on your route for other Waze users, a few instructions for settings, and one command that you can use en route. As a first step, you must have Google Assistant activated on your phone, whether you're using Android or iOS. For iPhones, you'll need to download and install the Google Assistant app first. Open Waze, tap the three-line menu icon, tap Settings, tap Voice and Sound, tap Google Assistant, and then tap Allow OK Google Detection and toggle on the first option under Hey Google. The drive action voice commands include Take Me Home, Drive to Work, Navigate to and then say the name of the business or address, Find gas stations, Find restaurants, Find parking, Stop navigation, Show alternative routes, Show route overview, Show turn-by-turn directions, and Recenter map. Reporting actions include report traffic, report moderate, heavy or standstill traffic, report a crash, report a major or minor crash, report police, report hazard, report flood, report construction, report object, report broken traffic light, report pothole, report stopped vehicle on shoulder, report roadkill, report animal, report missing sign, report fog, report hail, report flood, and report ice. Actions you can use to change settings in Waze include turn on or off voice directions, allow or avoid toll roads, allow or avoid highways. The one routing action available right now is What is my ETA? Routing actions are only available if you allow Waze to share your routing information with the Google Assistant in Settings, Voice Control, Google Assistant, and Share Current Drive Info. When this setting is turned off, your routing information is not shared. Thank you for watching, and as always, it would be great if you were to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content on personal technology and the connected home.